Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Young Roots, your and my favorite channel. Yes, we are learning phonics and currently we are on our Digraph series. What is Digraph? Come on, tell me. Yes, I can hear something right. Yes, when two letters come together and they make only one sound. You are right, my baby is always right. Yes. And the one who's forgotten, please go back and revise all our videos. Yes, or you can comment me on the comment section. I will help you with some tips. Yes, last video we were doing the digraph ooh. That time we had done the short ooh. Yes, we have to revise this digraph and then we can move to a long ooh. Let's revise. B, ooh, ka, book. Ka, oo, ka, cook. F, oo, da, foot. Wa, oo, la, wool. Good job. We have done our revision of short oo. Right, now we are going to do the long oo. Let's start blending few words where we have the long ooh. Okay. There is a place where all the animals are kept and you surely like to go to that place. It's a zoo, right? Ooh, zoo. Ooh, zoo, right? In the sky, when it's night, you can see stars and moon. Ma, oo, na, moon. Ma, oo, na, moon. Could you hear the long oo in the moon? Ma, oo, na, moon. Yes. And when you sit to have food, you take a fork and a spoon. Ooh, na, yes. Ooh, na, spoon, right. And last one, when you're hungry, you want to eat some food. Ooh, the food. Ooh, the food. Right, good job. We've done our blending of ooh words. Yes, let us revise. Whenever you get the digraph ooh, you're going to do the action with me. Okay, so it is z, ooh, zoo, right? Ma, ooh, na, moon. S, pa, ooh, na, spoon. F, ooh, da, food. Good job. Yes, my babies, you all have understood the difference between the short ooh and the long ooh. I could see you revising with me. Great job. Keep revising, keep learning the digraphs. Bye.